collection part 9, and also last part. It's random fidgets that like I can't put in a category. So the first things I have, I got all of these from Lakeshore. So I have 2 red ones, 2 blue ones, 2 yellow ones, and 2 green ones. Those are all of my sensory pads. So next one is my wacky track, and I got most of it from Amazon and a little bit of it from a trade. This is my favorite thing to do with it. This one I got, I think, at the outlet mall, and I don't know, I like it. So the next thing is this. I got it from Target, and actually, like, we found it at Target, but they couldn't get it, so I actually got it for just $1. Okay, the next thing is this monkey noodle, and I got this from Amazon. I got this from Amazon, and yeah, for the pack. And the next one is a textured monkey noodle. See, there's like little bristles right there. And I got it from a trade for a pink monkey noodle. So the next one is this like wind whirler thing, and I think I got it from actually got it from trick or treating. So this is the next one. It's my snake, and I got this one from Amazon. I'm gonna try to make like a cube shape thing. Not like a cube, like a rectangle. I don't know why I said cube. Okay, I didn't mean to make this, but it's actually a pretty cool shape. So that's what I made for my snake. The next thing is this like jumbo wacky track, which I got from the outlet mall, I think. I also have a ton of other fidgets, but I don't know where they are at all. And then I have this tangle right here. It's like an ocean, it gives me like ocean vibes. Okay, the next one is this blue monkey noodle, which I got from, and I got this from the outlet mall. Next is this blue one, which I got from Amazon again. Next one is this like pop ASMR pod. So and I got this from Walmart. Next one is this one, and I got it from day one of my fidget advent calendar. And it is a fidget pad, and it has like a Christmas background on it. I also have a regular one that isn't right here, but I do have it. Clicky, clicky. Okay, next one is this dimple. It was actually like one of my first fidgets I got. Or like this was my first ever dimple set I got. And I got it at like a little store. I don't remember what it's called though. I was just looking around and I'm like, oh, a dimple. But yeah, it's really cool. Next one I got from Walmart, and it is a little like puzzle ASMR pad or bar. And then this is the next one. I don't really like it that much. It's a Santa dimple spinner. Next one is my other Santa dimple. And this one I like. This one I like. It's fun. And I got both of these from my mom. Okay. Next is this one. It's a marble and mesh. And I got this from Amazon. So the next one is this Tangle. It's like a textured one, and I got it from Dollar General. Next one is my Fidget Dedecagon, and my sister got this for me. And the last thing is this like unicorn stretchy thing. It's really fun to just stretch. And also you can like slingshot it across the room. So, bye. Those are all of my fidgets. I hope you enjoyed this whole series. I would really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. Thank you very much. And you never have to, but goodbye.